Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
We get this question all the time. Hey, I've had a couple of your roofers out here. One of them's recommending a single layer 40-pound underlayment, and the other one's got 2 layers of 20-pound. What should I do? I'm like, you know what? Every roofer has their preference, in my opinion. And just let the man do his work. He's got a reason he likes it that way. I mean, you could sit here and split hairs all day which one of those 2 underlayment systems is better. Is it still going to last you 30, 40 years? Yeah.
Yes.
Done right.
Yes. As long as it's done right. That's what I tell people too. It's like, so we have our standard felt paper that we offer, and then we have our premium felt paper that we offer. Both of them are going to do their job, but some people just have a preference. Some people have a preference, whether it's Nike, whether it's Adidas. It's kind of it kind of falls in the same lines as that. But you just want to make sure that they're actually using that material on your roof. When we typically do tile roofs, we do double felt them because we want to ensure the longevity. But not only that, the company we work with, when we do that, they add a 20-year manufacturer defect warranty to that. So that's why we do that, because now not only do they carry our 10-year warranty, but now they carry a 20-year warranty on top of that.
And that's the manufacturer of the underlayment.
Yep, that's the manufacturer on underlayment, yes.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.